Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. When you need to relocate a long distance, you need the right help. A long distance moving company will help you get the most out of moving day instead of worrying about the things. You can trust the right company to handle this type of move. Our moving services provide all the basic options, along with the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time and transparent pricing. The right California moving company will provide you with the benefits you need to rationalize the cost. Our team offers a streamlined moving day, making your move so much simpler. We take the heavy lifting off your shoulders and we save you plenty of time. A stress-free move is easier to achieve with the right help. Three Movers makes your move so easy. You can hire us for a full-service move and avoid the packing and the unpacking too. A move that might take you all week to complete, we can get done in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.